Welcome to Radiant Mindset. These loving affirmations are created to help you gently heal your heart, release emotional pain, and open to love again. Let each word wrap you in comfort, kindness, and hope. Your heart deserves tenderness, care, and peace. Breathe deeply, feel every word, and let the healing begin. I allow my heart to heal at its own pace. I release the pain of the past and open myself to love, peace, and emotional freedom. I forgive myself for any hurt I've caused, and I forgive others for the pain I've experienced. Forgiveness is how I free my heart and soul. I am worthy of love that feels safe, gentle, and true. I no longer chase love. I allow it to flow to me effortlessly. My heart is resilient. Even when it's been broken, it always finds a way to feel again, trust again, and love again. I choose to love myself through every stage of healing. I am gentle with my heart and patient with my journey. I release the need to hold on to pain. I am no longer defined by what hurt me. I am defined by how I choose to rise. Every breath I take brings more peace into my heart. With every exhale, I let go of hurt, bitterness, and sorrow. I deserve to feel joy, peace, and emotional balance. My heart is becoming lighter, calmer, and more open each day. I honor my emotions without judgment. Every feeling is valid, and allowing them to flow is how I truly heal. I am surrounded by love, even on the days I feel alone. Love is always available to me, within and all around me. My heart is healing from every wound, seen and unseen. I give myself permission to move forward with compassion and grace. I'm not broken, I'm growing. My heart is expanding into something stronger, wiser, and more beautifully whole. I no longer need to carry old stories of pain. I rewrite my future with hope, love, and gentle strength. I trust in the healing power of love. Love doesn't harm, it heals, nurtures, and restores my heart to peace. I release resentment and anger with ease. I do not let pain dictate my future. I choose peace and release. I allow myself to feel love again, not because I forgot the pain, but because I deserve something better now. I am learning how to love myself in ways no one ever taught me. That is my power, and that is my healing. My heart is strong enough to feel, to forgive, and to open again without fear, but with wisdom and courage. I welcome peace into my chest. I breathe it in and let it fill every space where pain once lived. I trust that I am being emotionally guided towards deeper healing. The universe always supports my heart's highest good. I do not rush my healing. I honor each phase, knowing my heart is mending in perfect timing and divine order. I allow myself to cry, to grieve, and to grow. There is no weakness in feeling deeply, only the strength to heal. I treat myself with the same compassion I'd offer someone I love. My heart thrives when I am kind to myself. I believe in second chances for myself, for my heart, and for the possibility of love blooming again. I am open to giving and receiving love again, not from fear, but from faith and inner clarity. My heart is a sacred place. I protect it with truth, nurture it with love, and honor it with patience. I am learning to trust again, not blindly, but with discernment, wisdom, and an open heart. I deserve relationships that reflect the love and care I give so freely. I am worthy of love that nourishes, not drains. I no longer replay the past in my mind. I focus on the love and beauty available to me now. I speak to my heart with kindness. I remind it daily that it is loved, safe, and healing beautifully. I don't need to be perfect to be loved. I am lovable exactly as I am in every phase of my journey. I gently release attachment to people or situations that no longer align with my peace. I choose my well-being over chaos. I am grateful for the lessons pain has taught me, but I no longer need to live there. I choose peace and joy now. I am healing, even on the days it feels like I'm standing still. Growth is happening in silence too. I breathe life into my heart today. I speak words of encouragement, love, and comfort into my soul. I no longer allow old wounds to control my present. I honor them, but I don't live in them. Love begins within. The more I love and understand myself, the more love flows into every part of my life. I do not compare my healing to anyone else's. My journey is valid, sacred, and uniquely mine. I trust that letting go doesn't mean giving up. It means making room for something better, something true. I cherish my own love above all else. My love is powerful, healing, and enough. My heart is not too much. It is full, vibrant, and deserving of someone who knows how to hold it gently. I believe in love that uplifts and nurtures, and I attract it naturally into my life by being my authentic self. I no longer feel ashamed of my emotions. Feeling is a sign of strength, and healing is always beautiful. I am proud of how far I've come. Even through heartache, I have never stopped growing, healing, and loving. I reclaim my heart from anyone who failed to honor it. I bring all that love back to myself. I deserve a love that matches the depth of what I give. I no longer settle for anything less. I protect my peace above all else. I set loving boundaries that honor my heart's healing and growth. My energy is soft but powerful. I can be both tender and strong at the same time. I no longer carry guilt for loving deeply. My love is beautiful, and it deserves to be received with care. I trust that love will find me again when I am ready. Until then, I continue to love myself fully. I listen to my heart and honor its wisdom. It always leads me back to what's real. I walk away from what hurts and walk toward what heals. That is love in action. I no longer need to be saved. I am saving myself one loving thought at a time. I open my heart slowly, carefully, and without fear. I trust in love again because I trust in myself. I am healing generational pain by choosing to love myself fully and fearlessly. I am proud of the person I am becoming. Someone who loves, feels, and heals with grace. I deserve emotional safety. I no longer accept chaos as love. I choose peace every time. My healing journey inspires others to love themselves too. I am living proof that hearts can heal. I no longer numb my pain. I soothe it with compassion, time, and truth. I am love. I give love. And I receive love. Healing my heart only expands my ability to love even more. Thank you for listening to these heart-healing affirmations. Repeat them daily to nurture your emotional well-being and invite love back into your life. If this brought comfort or peace, please share it with someone who needs it, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Radiant Mindset. You deserve healing.